Hello students, my name is Sehdev Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educare, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Dear students, we are getting a lot of queries and mails and even phones that how to manage the time, particularly in the reading segment. Lot of students are always struggling. So in this short video, I am going to discuss about the various tips and tricks and various strategies. I don't say that it's tricks. What are the various strategies so that you can complete your exam well before and you read everything and do well. So be with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe so that I serve you the best. Okay, let's not waste the time. And we are going to okay, let us discuss about these five basic strategies. I am going to discuss about the five basic fundamentals so that your exam completes in time. Okay, what is the first strategy? Okay, first strategy is to check the three titles of paras. If I am talking about IELTS academic, so we are going to have the three different titles and they may be from the different backgrounds. They may come from history, may come from psychology, they come from various types of domains of the education, right? We are not sure that what we are going to get about this. So what to do then? Please do not start with the paragraph 1. Okay, I request you to check all the three paragraphs first. If the paragraph 2 is feeling comfortable to you, please start with 2. If you are feeling start with the 3, it's 3. Let me tell you one myth in the minds of the IELTS students. Most of students are assuming that para 1 is easy, para 2 is easy, or para 3 is the most difficult. I never find this. When I was practicing my IELTS reading tests, I never found that para 3 is easy or tough. All the three paras are almost of identical level. So we need to pick up any of one. Now we come from the different backgrounds. Some students are of science, some students of commerce, some students are from the arts backgrounds. Okay. So as per your interest, if the student is from commerce, so he or she must pick up the business related ideas. If the student is from medical, he should pick up the medical first, because then it will be for quite easy for us to understand the paragraphs. Okay. So next time when you do it, and I'm sorry, uh, there are two or three paragraphs which you should never pick up the first. One paragraph is related to language. They talk about sonnets, they talk about video, they talk about different type of novels, they talk about stories or something like that. It is quite difficult. And second para which you should not pick up the very first, that should be something related to psychology. Psycho. Why? Why I say psycho? Because it is quite difficult to understand. People are not sleeping or something, the depression or something related to their motivation or leadership, something. It will take out your juice. So if you are encountering, if you are lucky or unlucky, if you are encountering your first paragraph is related to language or psychology, I request you to kindly avoid it. Okay. So then you choose your best paragraph and do it. Okay. Now what second strategy we should do? The second strategy is, for God's sake, never attempt yes, no, and not given. Yes, you can take up true, false, and not given. Yes, no's are very difficult. Suppose you are doing one paragraph and there is a yes, no in the starting from 1 to 5. There is a yes, no. Please avoid these questions first. These are quite difficult. These are scattered around the paragraph. It is not very easy to find. You are lucky if you find it. Otherwise, true, false are quite easy, and yes, no's are quite difficult. I will make exclusive video. What is the major difference between the yes, no, and true, false? They seems to be alike, but they are not alike. These will take a lot of your time. This will you find it straightforward. I will explain the video. So I request you to not to pick up yes, no, or not given in the starting phase when you are starting reading one paragraph. Now what is the third strategy? Third strategy is keep MCQs or even yes, no, not given, and your true, false, not given, aside. Aside means you can say let them hold. MCQ can be hold for the time being. True, false, though I said it is easy, but still we can hold it. Yes, no. Why I say this? Because you have only 40 questions in your exam, and there are chances that between 12 to 15 you will find the questions related to MCQs, yes, no, and not given. And if we are going just for guesswork, so within 1 minute we can do all these 15 questions, but there are certain modules which are quite difficult for you, right? You cannot do them, you cannot have any guesswork. I will share what are those. So this guesswork can be done, so why not to pick up them in then the last. Okay, if we can say for example, there is one paragraph, it has 1 to 5 head match, and 6 to 10 is having say filling the blanks, or 11 to 13 writers match, something like. So we can hold on this head match, we have to study, because we cannot have any guesswork. So what I mean to say, there are around 25 questions which cannot be done with the guess. No, you cannot guess. So better to focus on these. And once we have focused on these 25 questions, I am very sure you will get sufficient time to complete those 15 which you have kept aside for the time being. Definitely you will find very good answers in that. So what I request to my students at my institute, that out of the 40 they must attempt 23 with their fullest mind, with their fullest mind. And MCQ, yes, no, true, false kept aside. So if they are going for guesswork also, still they are going to get at least minimum 5 marks out of 15. So if they are getting 20 here and they are getting 5 here, still they are crossing the 6 bands in reading. There is no difficulty, managing is quite easy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe, share this video with others, those who are struggling, right? Again, I will make one more video with more tips and tricks and strategies, especially for your reading, because this is a quite gray area. Okay, let us move forward to the fourth point. Okay, pick up head match first. What I say, I repeat, pick up head match first. Why I say you pick up head match first? Because this is such a module, this is such a part of IELTS which you will find in each and every assignment, right? Secondly, these can have guesswork. No, not at all. If there are 5, 6, 7, 8, they all will get lost at a stretch. And if my students is losing 7 to 8 scores out of 40, so definitely bands are not going to come. So head match always compel us to study the whole paragraph with the details. Okay, so if you are picking up the head match first, they may be from 11 to 13, they may be from 5 to 10. Okay, so pick up the head match first. If you are well with the head match, I'm very sure the rest of the 2 modules which are there in our assignment, it will be the best one. Okay, so next time when you do any assignment, pick up the head match first. And what is the last one for the day? Okay, the last one is they pick up filling the blanks. Pick up filling the blanks. Now we have 2 types of filling the blanks. One is without option, and second is with option. For God's sake, please do not pick up the filling the blanks with the option in the first row, in the first go. Please stop it. Please don't do it. It will take out your lot of time, right? Instead of that, we should go for the filling the blanks which are without option, because these are quite easy to find and we will find the straight answer with us, right? So if all these strategies are followed, if all these tips are in your mind, I am very sure that you are going to complete your reading comfortably, easily. And if you need to do some work, guesswork, definitely you will be able to do, and you will be never be in hurry, right? In the next video I will step by step I will give all the 14 15 word filling the blanks I had mentioned, what to do first and what not to do first. So this is the very primal video, so that you can get the benefit of this video. A lot of people are having latest exams now, so please follow this strategy. At least practice 2 to 3 assignments with these strategies and you will find comfortable, you will find relaxed, and definitely your score is going to come up with good bands. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe so that I serve you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. I always wait for your wonderful comments and feedback so that I improve my videos. And next time, see you soon, and do comment me also. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye from Success Mantra. Take care. Have a nice day.